I have had the time of my life today. When we finished rehearsing at 4:30, honestly, it seemed like 2 hours had gone by. And we started around 8:45 this morning, honestly. At 4:30, it seemed like 2 hours, not all that time. And I was saying to the altos, well, all the sections have been magnificent. There hasn't been a weak section. And I'm hoping that the percussion will come out now while I'm talking to all of you. But there wasn't a weak section today from the get-go. And while I was working with the altos, they were just so coachable and developing this Earth Mama kind of sound that I just love. But while I was working with them, I was looking for a dud. In fact, I said to them, I'm looking for a dud, because almost always in one of these all-district choirs, you'll have, you know, 3 to 5 people in every section scattered around who just get here and they decide, oh, I'm just so tired, and we're singing these songs over and over. I could not find one dud in the whole choir, which is a sign of 2 things. Good parenting, actually 3 things. Good parenting, good teaching, and young Americans who care. And I think we should celebrate all. Far right, we have Dalton, and next to him we have Emilio, both from this high school, who are performing on percussion. Would you celebrate them? And as the soloist on Tshotsholoza is the amazing Gabe Unruh. Would you celebrate him? And honestly, I'm doing 4 of these in a row. This is my 2nd one, and I'll do 2 more the next 2 weekends. But students don't come prepared like this traditionally. And even if they come prepared, somewhere along the day they just start caving in after lunch and they want to nap. And I understand that completely. That wasn't the case today at all. And I am truly amazed by your teachers who sent well-prepared students. And I hope after the concert or when you get home you'll call them or you'll send an email to their principal or to them, because they have done a terrific job investing in your sons and your daughters. I would love very much if my children had had one of these directors for their directors. It has been a special day. We hope you enjoy our final song, Tshotsholoza. But one more thing I'm forgetting. We had a fabulous page turner. And the amazing Lynn Sanders at the piano. We cannot thank her.
Kule